Hello student, today we will discuss exercise 18.1, a very short answer type question. Question number first, find the length of longest rod that can place in a room of dimension 8 meter, 10 meter into 8 meter into 6 meter. That is question number 1. Solution. Given that length of room is equal to 10 meter, width of room is equal to 8 meter, and height of room is equal to 6 meter. Now find longest rod, length of longest rod. So as we know that length of longest rod is equal to length of diagonal of room, that is under root L square plus B square plus H square. Now put the value of L 10 square plus 8 square plus 6 square. Now 100 plus 64 plus 36 is equal to 200. That implies 10 root 2 meter. This is the answer. Hence, length of the longest rod is 10 root 2 meter. Now, in this question, put the value of under root 2, find the exact value. Now, question number second, if the sum of the length, width and height of a cuboid is 19 centimeter and its diagonal 5 root 5, then find its surface area. Given the sum of length, width and height of cuboid, let length of cuboid is equal to L meter या L centimeter. Width of cuboid is equal to B centimeter, and height of cuboid is equal to H centimeter. According to question, given that A plus B plus C is equal to 19 centimeter, this is the equation number first, and also given diagonal of cuboid is equal to 5 root 5. Now, as we know, length of diagonal of cuboid L square B square H square equal to 5 root 5. Squaring on both sides, L square B square plus H square equal to 25 into 5 is equal to 125. Now 125, equation number second. As we know that L plus B plus H whole square is equal to L square plus B square plus H square plus 2HL 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now put these value of equation 1 and 2, a प्लस बी प्लस सी की स्थान पे आप एल प्लस बी प्लस एच लिख लें, क्योंकि आपके लेंथ विड्थ और साइड आपके क्या है, एल बी एच है। नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एल प्लस बी प्लस एच। 19 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर की वैल्यू 125 प्लस 2 टाइम ऑफ एल बी प्लस बी एच प्लस एच एल। नाउ 19 स्क्वायर 361 minus 125 is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Now solve these value. Solve these value. Solve these value 361 minus 120, so 236 is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Now hence this is the total surface area of cuboid. Hence surface area of cuboid is equal to 236 centimeter square. This is the answer. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, if the curved surface area of solid right circular cylinder of height h and radius r is 1/3 of total surface area, then find the height. तो given है solution height is equal to h and radius is equal to r. Given according to question shear से, जिसे हम लोग कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर is equal to 1/3 of total surface area of cylinder. As we know that curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h and 1/3 total surface area. ts से क्या होगा, 2 pi r plus h. This is the total surface area. Now 2 pi r cancel out 2 pi r, so h is equal to 1/3 of r plus h. Now cross multiply, 3h is equal to r plus h. Now transfer h, 3h minus h equal to r, 2h equal to r. Now h equal to r by 2. Hence height is half of the radius. Now question number 5th. Question number 4 same as the question number 3. Question number 5th, a cuboid of is 12 centimeter long. A cuboid is 12 centimeter long, 9 centimeter broad and 8 centimeter high. Find the total surface area. So question number 5 solution. Given that length of cuboid L is equal to 12 centimeter, width is equal to 9 centimeter and height is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we find total surface area. So as we know, total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Now 2 into LB 108. This value is 12 into 9 plus 9 into 8 plus 8 into 12, 2 72 or 96. Solve this value and get put answer. Now this value is multiplied to 552. This is centimeter square. This is the answer. Now question number 6. If the length of diagonal of cube is 8√3, then find total surface area. So given question number 6 is given here. Question number 6, length of diagonal is equal to of क्यूब लिख सकते हैं, of क्यूब is equal to 8√3, and as we know length of diagonal a√3 is equal to a√3, cancel out √3, a is equal to 8, where a is the side of the cube. Now total surface area. Now surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Now 6 into 8 square, 6 into 64. Now 384 centimeter square. This is the answer. Thank you, class.